Hi guys, my name is Brendan. I'm going to be instructing the Mixology course whenever we do have it happen here, but for now let's do some online stuff. So today we're shooting from Canex Liquor. They've been gracious enough to let us come in here and do a little bit of mixology with some drinks and showing you guys some other necessary bar practices, I guess we could say. So our first thing today is going to be making simple sugar, or simple syrup. So basically it's pretty simple, given by the name. All we need is water and sugar. Doesn't really matter, you can use refined white sugar, brown sugar, whatever you like if you want to add some food coloring for some different variations on it. It's pretty straightforward. So we're going to start off by boiling our water. Ratios are pretty straightforward. We have 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, or basically that 1-to-1 ratio depending on what you're going to make. Our yield is going to be about kind of 1 cup-ish, maybe a little bit more just with the sugar. So we've got our water boiling here right now. Got our cup of sugar, pretty straightforward, just dump that right in. And then we're just going to basically let it boil, let it go for a little bit until we see that sugar kind of dissolve into the water. So if you look, just come and have a look at mine right now. So here we had white sugar in this jar, and when we use our brown sugar, we're gonna get more of a rich color here, a nice dark color. So just basically stir that until it's all dissolved. Let it go, and then obviously be careful working with boiling water and sugar. It can be very hot, so don't get any on yourself. But yeah, we're basically just going to let this boil, go down until it's all dissolved, and that's basically our simple syrup. Let it cool down, and you can add it to any of your recipes. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed these videos. Make sure that you check out all the content on that page, and if you try any of your creations and you want to share them with us, tag Edmonton Garrison PSP. See you guys.